This construction worker saved a tiny kitten from a frozen pipe. He was working late during a cold blizzard. He heard a very quiet cry coming from the ground. He realized a stray kitten was trapped deep inside a metal tube. The kitten had been stuck there for 2 days without any food. The worker tried to reach inside, but the pipe was way too small. He called his team for help, and they brought heavy saws to cut the metal. They worked all night while the snow fell around them. The kitten was shaking and in critical condition. They finally broke the pipe open and pulled the kitten out. The worker wrapped the cat in his own heated jacket. He rushed to the animal hospital to get emergency care. The doctor said the kitten was only minutes away from passing. The kitten stayed in the hospital for a week to get better. A miracle happened and the kitten survived. Now the worker has adopted the kitten. They go to work together every single day. The kitten never has to be cold again.